Hello, here are the two things we're doing today. A love heart owl and a love heart fish. And we're sticking with love hearts until the end of February, okay? So, step by step. First thing, you need lots and lots of love heart shapes. So I've got this size, I have this size, I have this size. So this is all step one. And this size. And the other circle I just need shape is a circle, okay? So what you do is you're going to trace all of these, all different circles. I'm using a black marker so you can see. I just thought, I'm trying to think of how to do things better so you can see the outline. So that's one size heart. This is the other size heart. So as I said, I'm doing a sneaky peek on Thursday so you can start cutting these out on Thursday or during the week. Okay, so all different sharp love hearts and then little love hearts. Okay. So why I'm sticking with this is because February's just a nice month. I said, look, we'll do something cheerful. So these are all ones you're going to start cutting out, and then as you can see, we're using cereal boxes. Okay. Once we have them all cut out, so this is step one. Step two, we're going to start putting them together. So this is Mr. Owl's face. This is his body, which goes like this. Okay. I'm going to staple because it'll take a while if I glue. So I'm going to staple this like this. Okay. So there's the start of his body. I then got another size shape as his head. Okay, and I fold this in half. Okay, not a great fold. And then you cut this in the center, because this is going to be his wings. Okay, so hang on, he's not very good. So these are all step two. So, oh shoot, I'm going to put a wing here and a wing over here. See, it's all love heart shapes. So see, isn't he coming to life? Then we've got his tummy, a smaller one. Okay, I staple that on. Now I'm only using staplers because then I can paint, but you guys can use, I have PVA glue and I've also got the glue gun. So you can use either of those. What else we know? Or you need his feet. So, and also what I did was after you go out to the garden and get a little branch of a tree or somewhere, and you can put the owl on a tree. Okay, so this is the feet, and now he needs his nose, which I'm going to use PVA glue for this. Okay, so I'm going to use my PVA glue and glue on his nose, like this. So we're still on step two, okay? So this is all his body done, I think. Yep. Then I got cut out two circles, little ones, and I'm going to glue these on to his face. Now, if you haven't got feathers at home, sometimes if you go walk out on a field or somewhere or by your park, you might see some birds' feathers on the ground. You can use those. So this is so far. I then got feathers. So two little feathers. I have all different colors in here. Again, if you're outside and you see them, pick them that way. But get Mum to use a white because they could be kind of messy. Okay, so we're going to put a feather here. And a feather here. Okay. So, oh yeah, then I got a black marker. You can use black paint, and I did a love heart shape here. I did a black. And like I said, this doesn't have to be all done in one day. It can take a few days. So when you take a break from school work, you can start working on your artwork. And you're still using schoolwork because you're using all the shapes and everything. So here is the gorgeous owl. I then used all different colors. I had green, again you can use what you want, forgot the brown, yellow, white, all these colors. So when you painted all this guy, he turned out like this. So here is our beautiful colored love heart owl. Now the fish was a lot easier. So this guy, so literally there was only one step to do the hearts, 2 steps to glue them all on, 3 steps to paint them, and then the 4th was just the feathers. So it's about 4 steps, okay? This guy, which I think is kind of cute, our fish, we're going to do, I have three shapes of love hearts, okay? So I have one for his body, okay? I have a small one for his head, and then a larger one for his tail. So again, we're going to, was his head bigger? His head was smaller. So I'm going to tape this, staple this onto this. Okay, so that's part of his body. This is still step 1. And where's your man going here? He's going like this. And this is still step 1. So we use 3 love hearts here. And then a little one for his mouth. And it's the cutest love heart mouth, which is pretty. Okay, now, so this is all step 1. I then got googly eyes again. Remember, like I keep saying, if you haven't got googly eyes, you can use a bottle top, anything. So I'm going to give this guy a yellow. Get the thing off. I'm going to give this guy a yellow. Cute eye. Right, so here is. So now we're on step 2. So the love hearts, step 3. Love hearts done, stapled on his eye. We painted this. Then to do here, to get the glitter, I'm going to use PVA. So you get your PVA glue and you can make zigzags, you can make circles, you can make, so we'll do a zigzag here, and we'll do circles here, okay? You get your glitter. You can use rice as well, and you could paint the rice. So I got my glitter, and I'm going to put it, take a little bit in my hand. This is kind of messy, so guys, sometimes rice might be better, and we're going to do this. Here, a bit more here. So you see now he's taking shape, and for this guy I used pink, green, pink, and red, and gold glitter. So definitely the most thing you need is love heart shapes. So the steps for this is number 1, like all of them, do the love hearts, cut them out, staple or glue them on. Step 2 will be to staple them on. Step 3 will be to paint them. And step 4 is if you want some glitter or paint on them. So here are the 2 gorgeous ones for this week. So happy crafting, guys. Enjoy your love heart family. Bye.